Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Fruity Things. In this video, I want to show about some mathematical symbols in English. If you find this video is useful, please give a like. Let's go to the video. The first symbol is plus. Plus sign is mathematical symbol is used to denote positive functions. Plus represent the operation of addition which results in a sum. And next, minus sign is mathematical symbol is used to denote negative functions, while minus represents subtraction resulting in a difference. The next symbol is multiplication into, a mathematical operation that indicates how many times a number is added to itself. Division. Division, a mathematical operation that indicate how many equal quantities add up to a specific number. And next, plus or minus. The sign indicates that a value can be either added or subtracted. 1 plus or minus 2, 1 plus 2 equal to 3 and 1 minus 2 equal to minus 1. And next symbol is greater than. Greater than symbol is used if the first number is greater than the second number. And next, less than. Less than symbol is used if the first number is smaller than the second number. And next symbol, equal to. Equal to sign is simply used in mathematical equation to show that LHS value equal to RHS. And next, not equal to. Not equal to sign simply states that the quantity or value on LHS is not equal to the value on RHS. And next symbol is similar to. Similar to indicate two objects are geometrically similar. And next is congruent to. Is congruent to is used maths is when two figures are similar to each other based on their shape and size is congruent to. And next symbol is infinity. Infinity is an idea of something that has no end or having no limits in terms of time, space, or other quantity. And next symbol is greater than or equal to. Greater than or equal to is an inequality symbol that is similar to greater than or equal to. And next symbol, less than or equal to. Less than or equal to is an inequality symbol that is similar to less than or equal to. And next symbol, sum of. The sum is the process of bringing two or more numbers together to produce a new result or total. Next, percent. The percent is used to measure the proportion of value in terms of the original value. And next, square root of. Square root of a number is a value which on multiplication by itself gives the original number. And last one, integral. Integral in maths are used to find many useful quantities such as areas, volumes, displacement, etc. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give a like. Please subscribe.